Hi everyone, this is Mike.
Mike wants to buy his very first car. He finds the car he likes at the store. The car he likes is $20,000. Mike checks his pocket. Mike only have $2,000. He needs another $18,000 to buy that car.
Where do I find that money?
Hey Mike, I'm Mr. Bank. You have options to buy this car. Number one, you can save the money over time, or what we call is saving. Option number two, you need to borrow the money and buy the car now and pay me back, or what we call is loan.
Wow, this is great. This thing is as good to be true. All we just to do is borrow money, buy the car, and pay back later on.
However, borrowing money is not free. We will charge you a fee which we call interest to loan the money.
So how much this will cost me?
Says Mike.
Mr. Bank says we load money 10% per year. In your case, you have $2,000 deposit. We will loan you $18,000. This will cost you $18,000 every year. The longer you take back to pay off, the more interest you pay.
So Mike asked,
If I take 5 years to pay off the $18,000 that you loaned me, how much it will cost?
Mr. Bank says it is $1,800 times 5 is equals to $9,000. Mike thinks this thing is pretty good. After, the bank advanced Mike $18,000 that he loaned. Billy combined it with his $2,000 deposit and paid it to the store that sells the car and drive his favorite car. Now he has to repay the loan and the interest over the next 5 years and earn top of that $9,000 for loaning Mike.
Yay, I'm so happy for having my favorite and dream car.
And now we have compound interest.
Let's assume a very generous bank offers to pay Mike and DJ 10% a year. Each of them invested $1,000 called the principal. Mike wants to spend the interest each year and keep the principal on the bank, while DJ wants to save for 30 years so he doesn't take the interest each year. In Mike's case, the 10% amount to $100 each year. So after 1 year, he'll have $1,100 in his account, out of which he'll take $100. And after 2 years, he'll have $11,000 and get $100. And lastly, after the 30 years, he'll have $11,000 as usual and take $100 in his account. He'll be left with $1,000 in his account. So his principal in the return, he made an amount to $100 multiplied by 30, so another $3,000, a grand total of $4,000 that he made over 30 years. DJ, on the other hand, he'll make more. He'll have $1,400 in his account, but he'll keep everything there. After 2 years, he will earn 10% of those $1,100 and only on the initial $1,000. Therefore, he will have $1,100 plus $110 is equal to $1,210, and to the third year, he will earn into the $1,210 and have $1,331 after 30 years. She will have $17,449 over 4 times more than Mike.